The number one product on our list is the DJI Air quadcopter. The DJI Air 2 is a small and compact drone that is designed for easy flying. It has a retractable landing gear, which means you can fold up the landing gear when the drone is not in use, so it does not get damaged or caught on anything during storage. The drone comes with an advanced remote controller that has a built-in display screen, which allows you to see what your drone sees while flying. This drone has some advanced features, such as obstacle avoidance sensors and GPS navigation that help it fly safely without crashing into walls or other objects in its path. The DJI Air 2 is an incredibly versatile drone and will be a great addition to your flying toolkit. This quadcopter UAV comes with a 3-axis gimbal camera that can be used to capture high-quality videos and photos. The camera has a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor and can record 4K video at 30 fps or 1080p video at 60 fps, as well as take 12-megapixel JPEG photos. The drone itself has a max flight time of 31 minutes, which is pretty typical for drones of this size and range. It also has a max speed of 32 miles per hour and can fly up to 3 miles away from its controller. There are many different modes you can use with the 3D flips and rolls mode, including barrel roll, flip in any direction, and flip vertically up or down. You'll also be able to do 360 deg flips by pressing one button. If you're looking for the best drone, look no further than the DJI Air 2. This drone is a quadcopter with a 3-axis gimbal camera. It comes with everything you need to get started, including batteries and a remote control. You can fly this drone up to 10 minutes at a time on a single battery charge, which is pretty impressive. Well, there you have it. If our review has helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell icon to get an alert for when our next video drops. Stay tuned for our next video, and thank you for watching.